Now with the weather, here's Tyne, Logan and Tyne. That run of cool mornings continues.
Yeah, the last few mornings have been among the coolest that Perth has experienced in June, and they're here to stay for a few more days yet. Perth dropped to 3.4 degrees at 7:30 this morning, reaching a top of 17.5 at 3:10, and it's pretty fresh outside now, just 9 degrees. Now there were freezing conditions all over our south. 10 towns dropped to 0 degrees this morning, including Medlen, Kohler and Southern Cross. It was a bit milder over our south coast though, where there was a bit of cloud around. And in our north, it was also cool with daytime temperatures hovering around the 20-degree mark in the Pilbara. 13 was the low in Broome and 10 in Fitzroy Crossing, but the winds made that feel more like 7 degrees, which is well below average for the Kimberley. There was also a 5.1 magnitude earthquake off the coast of Broome this afternoon, with some residents saying they felt the ground shake for several seconds. Thankfully, there's been no reports of damage though. It was also a clear and dry day for most of the state today, apart from a few showers along our south coast, and it will stay that way until Sunday when a strong cold front comes in from the west, bringing rain to anywhere west of Coral Bay through to Hopetown by evening, but particularly heavy along the west coast. Now around the country tomorrow, the gusty conditions have eased for our capitals, but there's still a bit of rain on the way. Adelaide will have showers into top of 14. Also showers ahead for Hobart, Melbourne, Canberra, Brisbane and Darwin, while Sydney will stand apart with sunny weather and a top of 19. In our north, there's more of those cooler mornings ahead with a strong wind warning for the West Kimberley and Pilbara coasts. Kununurra will reach a top of 30 degrees and Derby 27. It could be a frosty and foggy morning for the central wheat belt and parts of the goldfields, then clearing up during the day with temperatures in the mid to high teens, and that fog will extend into the Great Southern as well, with a separate band of showers around the southwest capes between Bunbury and Windy Harbour. Now in Perth tomorrow, it will be partly cloudy with a top of 18 degrees and a low of just 3. And with light winds, there's also likely to be some morning fog about the hills and also some frost in the northeast in the early morning. On Perth, local waters winds will be north to northeasterly, tending 15 to 20 knots offshore for a period during the morning, with the swell around a metre. Sunrise is at 7:17 and sunset at 5:21. And looking ahead, Perth has clear and cool mornings of just 3 degrees right the way through to Saturday. Then that rain starts up on Sunday, and it's not going to stop until Thursday next week. Pamela.
But it doesn't get any warmer. Thanks for that, Tyne. That's ABC News for now. Charlotte Hamlin will be with you tomorrow. In the meantime, you can stay up to date with ABC News Online. Stay with us now for 7:30 with Lee Sales.